Hi everyone. In this Oclef video, we'll be going over the transposition tool. This is an advanced tool that is a great challenge for reinforcing a piece that you have known for a while. It can also be a fun theory exercise. To do this, take the key in which you originally played the piece in, and then choose a different key in which you want to transpose into. I will demonstrate this by playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, originally in C, and now I'm going to transpose it into C sharp. And now I'm going to transpose it up a half step. Transposition is a tricky tool. Often if the piece is too complex, take it in sections and work out the piece in the new key. And this concludes our video on transposition. Thanks for watching.